Step back and look here. I see exactly what you're talking about. So the first thing we'll do is just shorten his elbow position down so he's not overextended. Then keeping this stationary and the head stationary, think about growing the tip of the shoulder away from the ear. So grow wide. That's forward, just rest a little bit. Just lengthen away from the tip of my finger. I don't utilize it at all in the cervical spine or lumbar spine. I feel like some of the methods I've been exposed to that drive that have a lot of compression involved in the position, which can lead to some irritation at the facet joints. And the other problem I have with driving that therapy, if it's not purely range of motion driven, we have to ask a lot about the subjective experience we're going through with that therapy to determine its effectiveness. As I've discussed, I don't base things a lot on symptom level. I try not to base decision making on symptoms whenever I can. But from patient reporting, I've had lots of patients come in with like 7 out of 10 low back pain, radicular symptoms, and just after the TSI, it can be diminished rather significantly.